To show you my dogs, but here comes one. But yeah, so I'd like to show you them. And are you guys ready to do this? And I'm going to let you experience life as a dog. So there's Luke. Luke. Tank. And Honey Lemon. Honey Lemon. Honey Lemon. Honey Lemon. Yeah, she's a jumper. So, if you guys want to see life as a dog, I'll show you. Tank, come here. Tank, come here. Tank, come here. Tank, come here. Come here, Tanky. Tanky Poo. Come here, Tanky. Tank, come here. In. Tank. Honey Lemon, in. Tank, come here. Tank, come here. In. In. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. In. I said in. Excuse me. Excuse me. There. Threw a ball in there. You just can't see it right now because it's super far down there. Go get it, Luke. Go get it. Go get it. Get the ball, Luke. Yep. That's my little puppy, Honey Lemon. There's Luke and Tank. But you probably can't see it, but there the ball is. And this is my dog story. Hope you guys like and subscribe, because this actually took me a while, because one tried jumping up at me while I was taking the first video. The second time, one of them tried eating my phone, and the third time, one of them took my phone. But this is the fourth try, so it's over with, and yeah.